reflection's beautiful in that water. I'm gonna get down even lower. Let's sit down on the ground. Get this shot right here. Come on, buddy, turn your head. Turn it a little bit more. Perfect. I'm trying to get the reflection also with the bird. All right. Oh, I think I got the shot. Yes, I think I got the shot. I think I got the reflection of him. All right, let's see if we can do better. I'll get really low. Come on. Yep. That's my shot, right there. This is the shot of the day, I think, guys. I think I might have got the shot. Oops. There you go. Puts his head up. This is the actual beaver hut. Come on, buddy. Turn your head sideways. Look at me. He sits there on that log a lot. Cormorants have a really beautiful teal eye. This is a beautiful reflection. Come on, buddy, turn your head. Got it. All right. All right, now what I'm going to try to do, since I got the shot, which is the most important thing, just get the bird in the picture. Once you get him in there, then you can get a little bit closer, not to disturb him, but you try to get different angles where you can lay down. Currently right now I am sitting, or actually flat, in this dirt. There's some brush in front of me, so I'm trying to lean into this, get my shots. Now the background, there's two trees in the background. If you can see them up there with an X, I want to put him in the center of that. That's what's called framing the shot. I got him in the middle of the X. Do you see it? All right, now I'm going to sit here and wait. I want him to give me the shot that I want. There it is, right there. So he turned his head, he's in the background. You'll see that X. It's a tree, it's framing him in. There's the shot, right there. Turn a little bit more. Got it. I will show you this shot, and you'll see what I mean when I say I'm framing him in the picture. You see two trees. Actually, if you look, you will see two trees. One goes this way, one goes that way. I'm trying to put him, his body, dead in the middle. Because if I get that, and I get the reflection, there it is. Turning his head for me, and I see the reflection, I see him framed in. I got him. So, yep. So we were able to get the shot of him. What I might try to do is see if I can get just a little bit closer without spoofing him. And I want to keep that same tree in the background. There's also, if you look, there's another opening that goes way back. That'll give a lot of bokeh behind him. So what I'm going to do is try to put that bird in between that big open area you see out there and see if I can get him in the background with that. The further away stuff is in the background, the more blurred it becomes, the more bokeh, which means it focuses more on him. So you'll put your subject in there. So I'm going to try to go over here on the side very carefully. You can't sneak over here. Oops. I'm going to go over here on the side. Now I'm going to stoop down right here. All right. Let's take a look and see what we got. There he is. the other way. Okay, he's preening. We'll get those shots. Neck's stretched out. There he's preening. Get some action shots. Okay, that's a good one. Neck's way out. He's looking interested. Perfect. There's some more. We'll put him down here with this shadow. And now I'm going to put him in the dead center. Now what I'm going to do is take my camera and get it extremely low, because we want to put this down by the water. Now what I'm doing is getting it down by the water. I'm going to focus in on him. Let's see if I can, there he is. Alright, wait for him. I got the camera laying on the ground now. There we go. Now he's isolated. He's turning his beak. Got his head up. Let's see if I won't get the reflection because I'm too damn low. But I am literally laying up. There he is. I am now laying on the ground flat, up against the water. I am literally the same height as a bird. Oh, there he's preening. I'm the same height as the bird right now. Perspective is everything in photography. So now that I'm down here on the ground, I'm literally at his level, which is where exactly I want to be. Remove these leaves here. Whoops. Sorry if the camera gets a little shaky, guys. I'm trying to do this and lay down in the dirt. There's my shot. This might be my shot of the day right here. Alright, we're going to put him in the middle. I'm just waiting for him to do something different. Half the time when you do photography like this with nature, you have to wait for the bird to do something to get the good shot. Oh, there he goes. He's walking. Okay, okay. He's walking now. Okay, I'm going to get some video of him in my Z9. He's down by the water. There he goes. All right, he just jumped in the water. Now these birds can swim really fast. There he goes. He's going off in the distance. He's swimming off now. All right, that got the shot. We got the shot. That might be the shot of the day. We'll have to see. All right, so I think the shot of the day is going to be the Cormorant. Did get the pileated woodpecker though, so we'll have to see. I'm going to take it home and process it. And in the video, I'll show you some of the images I was able to capture. Like I said, I was shooting with my Nikon Z9, my 300-2.8 lens, so I was able to fortunately get really close to the Cormorant and get some really good shots. But part of nature is not necessarily just getting close to the bird or whatever you're shooting, but also getting it in action. Everybody can get the old famous bird on a stick, but can you get a picture of the bird holding its wings out? Can you get a picture of the bird flying by? Can you get a picture of it capturing something, feeding? Those are the hard shots. So when you first start out with nature photography, get plenty of bird on the stick pictures. The way I approach photography is this way. I go out, I see something, and whenever I see it, I start firing off a bunch of shots. And then after that, I get a little closer, then I'll take some more shots. And once I know I captured the picture of the bird, then I'll start going in for the flight shots, the feeding shots, all the other ones. And I will literally try to get those special shots. If I get them, great. But I will tell you, nature photography, 80%. Getting up, being out there, an awful lot. Because it's not every day you get the shot. So today, the photo gods were looking down on me. I got some good shots of some pileated woodpeckers, and hope for good shots of the Cormorant.
Hey guys, this is David. Just want to thank you again for each and every one of you for joining me along this venture today. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Looks like I got some great videos and some good pictures of some birds. So take a look at the pictures. Let me know which one you like best down in the comments below. And if you want, make sure you like and subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll take you on adventures. We'll go around and you'll get to see me get the shot. So you don't get it every time, but this time I got it. So let me know what you think. Take care, everyone.